keep on going. Sofia, I'm right here, please. That big smile. Sofia, right around. Straight ahead. Sofia, straight ahead, please. Straight ahead. Sofia, over the shoulder.
You know, it's amazing to be accepted, like, you know, in this community, and, you know, to be part of SAG that has helped so many people, so many actors, a foundation that, you know, does so much work. For me, it's very special. I was very surprised, and I'm like, of course, I'll accept the award.
I can smile. One last one. Right in front, lady. And today, of course, we have Sofia Vergara, who is going to read our first Storyline Online storybook in both English and Spanish. So to have our program start to become bilingual is really thrilling.
You want to get a full length?
You're playing the part.
Every one of us can get sick. Every one of us can stumble. Every one of us can lose our ability to make a living just at the point where we need it most. And the foundation is designed to be there for those, and it's actors and actresses, so it's my brothers and sisters. So this is kind of like really personal for me.
One last one. Thank you.
Let's go.
You had to come here. Okay.
I like this.
I'm in 11.
Smoke! On ball! On camera, Bracken! On camera!
Right here. Bye, guys.